My drag name should be Pego Man. Penguin का peg हो गया, बांसी का man. मैं आप अपनी तलाश में हूँ. Most awkward dates have been with people who come with agendas. Who are not coming to date you or go out on a date. They have a list, tick, 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 tick. तो मैं आईने में देखता हूँ मैं कहाँ चला गया.
Hi, Suvi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Very well. How are you?
We are good. We are here to ask you 21 questions about your life, your journey, your coming out journey, and a lot more. Are you ready?
I'm ready if you'll walk with me and I can show you around.
Sure.
Should we do that?
Yes, we'll love to.
So ask away.
One dish that tastes like your childhood.
Memory. You know, memories, nostalgia, the flavors of our youth, of our coming of age, of our growing up. They are what have shaped me, formed me, informed me, broken me and built me back together.
The first time you told someone, I like boys.
Someone, I think it was Rosina, when I was 6 or 7 year old. And I think it was a birthday party where I refused to cut the cake till she came. I don't think she understood what I meant when I said I like boys.
What did your mom say when she found out?
Mom, I was cooking in New York and doing art at School of Visual Arts. When I told Mom that I'm gay, I said, Mom, I have something terrible to tell you. And she said, Kya hua? I said, I'm gay. And she said, well, that's nothing terrible, that's who you are. And she thought I'd murdered somebody, stolen something, but there you go.
What's the one thing that broke you and then made you?
Love. I went to America for the love of a Frenchman who was living in Paris but was American. He was to move back to America. I was there studying at school. He never showed up, and when he did, he dropped me at the side of the street and sped away in a taxi. And it was dead cold of the winter, and I was left loveless and wondering what life had ahead of me. I'm now crying for the first time I think ever. And that broke me, but it also did.
What would you tell your 12-year-old self, the one who failed 6th class?
The boy who failed 6th grade, cook, imagine, get up and keep going. Every failure is a life lesson waiting to be learned, a new moment to be lived, and magic waiting to happen. So failure is only termed failure by those who sleep on the job. For the rest of us, failure never happens. It's an opportunity to keep growing.
What's the most awkward date you have ever been on?
Most awkward dates have been with people who come with agendas. Who are not coming to date you or go out on a date. They have a list, tick, 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 tick. Those are the awkward ones. And I've had a few, but not too many. I'm lucky.
And who was the first person to break your heart?
An American man living in Paris. How incredible that this book was staring at me. The only person to have broken my heart. Others, I may not have been ready for.
3 things the mirror has taught you.
The mirror, as I see one going up here. Mirrors have taught me that what you see is not always reality, and what you think is reality is not always what it should be. So मैं आईने में देखता हूँ मैं कहाँ चला गया. It's not always that I look at the ayna and say that. But our lives must be lived with honesty. कि हम ऐसी जिंदगी जिए कि लोग ये ना कहें कि आप हंस के आप इंसान वो नहीं है जो आईना आपको दिखा रहा है.
What you like to do when you're free? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies. Music is my hobby. मैं आप अपनी तलाश में हूँ. मेरा कोई रहनुमा नहीं है. वो क्या दिखाएंगे राह मुझको, जिन्हें खुद अपना पता नहीं है. मैं आप अपनी तलाश में हूँ.
What's the one thing you regret not saying to your ex?
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I regret not saying thank you to him for being the man he was. And he had his compulsions and I had mine. And somewhere between both of our dramas, life happened. Why?
What was the real reason Devi shut down?
Devi, my restaurant, shut down because my business partner and I had an arrangement that if I ever saw something wrong happening, I would leave. And I came one day to the restaurant and saw terrible chicken, Purdue chicken, in the restaurant being used. And on the menu we called it organic chicken. I couldn't live with that lie. And I left. And soon after I left, the New York Times announced that Suvir had left. And when Suvir left, the customers did have that hook to come to Davy for. And Davy closed.
Who would you call if you saw your ex at your restaurant table tonight?
Ishwar Sagara, this artist who paints people so beautifully. These pen and ink drawings are so incredible. I would call him to come and paint the reactions that my lover and I would have when we saw each other.
If your memoir was a dish, what would be on the plate?
If Tell My Mother I Like Boys was a dish, romance, honesty, daring, and life would be the dishes on the plate.
Okay, be honest now. What's your guilty midnight food?
My guilty midnight food is Coke and vanilla ice cream. Maybe chips.
Okay, who gave you the harshest feedback about the book?
I was hoping my editors would. They were very kind to me. There's not been any harsh feedback yet. I'm sure it will come.
Who is the first person you texted when you finished the final draft?
I sent a message to my last lover, Charlie, to tell him I would read him chapters that I'd written about him. And he wasn't very happy that I was writing a book.
What was the song playing in your head while writing Tell My Mother I Like Boys?
प्यार तुम्हें इतना करते हैं तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे जब हम ना होंगे पियरवा बोलो क्या तब आओगे मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना सावन भी तो जाए पियरवा दिल मोरा घबराए.
Beautiful. What's the one thing you'd change about the title, if you will?
You know, it was number 28 on a list of 30 titles I shared with my editor Manasi, and she picked the number 28. And I think when I told my mom, I was worried. My hands were shivering for the first time as an adult. I said, "Mom, this is the title the publisher has chosen." I didn't say I gave that title. And Mom said, "It's a daring, lovely title, very memorable." I said, "Really, Mom?" She said, "People are going to pick the book for this title. It's a bold, daring, honest title." So there you go.
How did you know that Charlie was it, even if it didn't last forever?
You know, Charlie and I met when I was in a terrible space, and we collected all of these things together over 20 years. Charlie's smile, his honesty, his confidence, his innocence, his audacity to live despite having weathered many storms himself, all of that captured my essence, my core. He was it.
What's the one thing that you want people to remember about you after this book?
Life has no blessings like a good friend. I would love people to remember that. So if music be the food of love, play on. So I live my life like this. If contentment is the theme, life's melody is sweet. So I think I want people to remember that I dared to love, I dared to live, and I dared to own all of my experiences as they unfold. I've been broken by them, I've been built by them, I've been rebuilt by them, and I would change nothing about my life. Every mistake, every challenge, every mishap, every nightmare, all of it has made me who I am.
Do you have a drag name?
I've never thought of one, but what would I be? Manasi Subramaniam could be my drag name. I love the ring and sound of it. My incredible editor. She's going to hit me. But no, Manasi has been the most incredible editor. Penguin has been an amazing publishing house. My drag name should be a Pegoman. Penguin ka peg ho gaya, Manasi ka man.